Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Fetch how to scan receipts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to scan a paper receipt in Fetch, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Fetch app. Then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, you'll be seeing a camera icon on the bottom middle of your screen. Simply tap on that. Now align your receipt in the camera frame and make sure the receipt shows the store name, date of purchase that is within 14 days, total amount, itemized list if possible, and once that's done, tap on submit. Now you will be earning points instantly or within a few minutes by simply scanning the receipts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.